Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a task template in Asana. If you've ever found yourself wishing you could tweak your templates to better suit your workflow, or maybe add vital details you've missed, by the end of this tutorial you'll have total confidence making those changes. Let's dive right in and walk step by step through the process so you can fine-tune your project templates and keep your team organized and efficient. First, let's start at the very beginning. Open Asana and navigate to the project where your task template lives. Projects are like folders, each storing a unique set of tasks and templates. It's important you're in the correct project because task templates are specific to each one. Think of them as blueprints custom tailored for that team or goal. Once you're viewing your project, look up at the top right corner and find the Customize button. It's easy to spot, usually a little magic wand or similar icon. Clicking this brings up a menu on the right side of your screen packed with options for personalizing your project's functionality. Now scroll down in that menu until you reach the section labeled Task Templates. Don't rush here. Sometimes the menu is pretty long depending on your project's setup, so take your time and scroll until you see it. In the Task Templates section, you'll see a list of every task template you've already created within this project. Find the template you want to modify and look for the three dots, the classic icon sitting next to its name. This is your shortcut to more options. Give it a click and from the drop-down that appears, select Edit. This will pop your template open in an editor view, ready for you to make changes. Now you're in the heart of template customization. Let's break down what you can do here and why you might want to. Need to tidy up the title or clarify the description, perhaps to help new team members understand the task better. Simply click and type clear. Descriptive titles and instructions prevent confusion. Maybe you want to add or remove assignees. This is useful if roles have changed or you need to rotate responsibilities. You can also set new due dates or adjust date ranges to reflect your team's schedules and deadlines, making future tasks run on autopilot. Let's say you want to track extra information. Go ahead and add custom fields like priority, budget, or anything else relevant to your workflow. If your tasks get done in steps, use the subtasks section. There you can add, edit, or even delete subtasks and attachments, keeping smaller to-dos neatly organized within the parent task. Don't forget about adding dependencies. This feature helps you show that some work can only begin once something else is complete, which is great for keeping projects moving smoothly and avoiding bottlenecks. Take your time making all the edits you need. Don't worry, Asana saves your changes automatically as you go, so there's no stress if you need to pause or change your mind about a detail. You won't lose work and you can always adjust things further later. Once you're satisfied, click Done to close the editor and return to your project view. Here are a couple of important things to note as you wrap up. Only people who have edit access to the project can make these changes, and any edits you apply will only influence new tasks created from your updated template. Tasks already made with the older version won't be changed retroactively. Lastly, remember that task templates are available on Asana's Starter, Advanced, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus tiers, so you'll have access on most plans, and that's it. You've now mastered how to edit your Asana task templates, keeping your team's workflow organized and up to date. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or want to share your own tips with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.